Definitely not for you. This is for those who need guidance and clarity. Maybe you're not talking to your person, things are just weird or awkward, you just don't know where you stand. If that sounds like something that you're going through, no communication, then this is the video for you. Tell me about Pisces. So we have Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Four of Coins in reverse, the Magician. I do read reversals, so if you are sensitive to reversals and it really bothers you, I'm not the reader for you, okay? We have the Chariot in reverse, Six of Blades in reverse, and Temperance. Okay. So right now what this person is showing you, we have the Wheel of Fortune, okay, in reverse. I'm going to show it to you upright. But I feel like right now, I feel like this person is just showing you that they're not taking control in the situation. They seem to be running into dead end after dead end. Maybe they have bad luck. Some of them could be clinging to control or wanting to take back control. But I feel like, in a sense, this person seems to be not having luck on their side and feeling like things are just not going in their favor. Things are just not going the way that they wanted them to go, okay? So let's go ahead and put some clarification on this. Spirit, tell me more. Please clarify the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Tell me more, please. Why is the wheel here? The Emperor. So we have Aries energy, but I feel like you guys might be dealing with someone who likes to have stability in their life, someone who's very ambitious, but they seem to have hit a rough patch, or maybe things are just out of control in regards to the path that they're going down. I feel like this, like I said, this is someone who generally does like to have stability in their life, someone who could be an authority figure at work, a boss. This person is used to structure in their life, and I feel like they seem to be unraveling or showing you that they're not doing what they normally do. Spirit, tell me more. Tell me about the Emperor. Why is this here? This is someone who could be older than you. This is someone who could have children. Someone who you could have lived with previously. Doesn't have to be. But I feel like this person's showing you that they're trying to move forward. They're trying to be independent from you. But I feel like since they just haven't seemed to found anything that's really suiting them. They haven't seemed to find any positivity outside of the connection with you, is what I'm feeling. How this person sees you, we have Four of Coins in reverse. So they know that you guys, in a sense, maybe have moved on or let go of them. Um, you know, you guys are probably dealing with someone who was possessive over you, very controlling over you. But this person knows that you have moved on and let them go. No longer clinging on to hope or being dependent on them, and you guys are going your own way. Spirit, tell me more. Why is the Four of Coins here? Seven of Wands in reverse. You guys no longer want to fight. You guys were in a connection where you felt really overwhelmed. Really destroyed some of you. It really destroyed a lot of your confidence. And a lot of you guys have just given up on the situation and you're no longer fighting for it. You no longer have passion for this connection. You've let go. And their world is unraveling. Spirit, tell me more. Please clarify Seven of Wands in reverse. Why is this here? Because you guys, you completely gave up. This is Aquarius energy here with the Star in reverse, but I feel like you guys are discouraged from this connection. There's not enough hope here. You guys don't want to fight for it. You've lost faith. You've lost faith because you know the situation is not balanced out. So in the meantime, instead of dwelling on it, you're letting go and not giving it an ounce of your time. And this person is fully aware because how they really feel about you. We have the Magician, okay, but it's in reverse. So they know that you no longer want to work on this with them. They know that you no longer want to manifest You know, you don't want to grow anything with them. You don't want to do the manual labor because I feel like you guys have been through enough, okay? But I really feel like, in a sense, I also get the feeling that because the Magician is in reverse, you guys don't want to work on things with them because in the past they've been very deceptive. Okay, so there was an element of deception here and someone not being truthful. It could have consisted of lies, okay? Someone could have been very dishonest, very deceptive and very crafty. Spirit, tell me more. Why is the Magician here in reverse? But even though they know you don't want to work on things with them, they still hold you in a high regard. They see you as their partner. You know, they're the emperor, you're the empress. They still care about you. They know that you were nurturing. They know that you gave to the situation. They know that you were just a good person. Someone who just really exuded love, exuded beauty, someone very nurturing, very luxurious, someone that they're lucky to have, very creative, just likes to be passionate about things. Spirit, tell me more about the Empress. Why is this here? Too many. Just noticed I had a bunch of cards turned over. Okay. Spirit, tell me about the Empress. Why is this here? Now, a lot of you guys definitely live with this person. I keep feeling like there wasn't enough support in the household, or there was a lot of home conflicts. Spirit, tell me about the Empress in reverse. Why is this Empress upright? Why is this here? Yeah, they know that with the Ten of Swords, this is it. This is the ending. It's a painful ending. They're taking it hard, but I feel like whatever you guys had was just not strong enough, and this is why it failed. This is why it collapsed. Okay, and they're feeling pained by this. They're really bothered. They know that this is an ending, and that everything that happened, some of them may have deserved this. Some of them may have deserved the ending, but it could have been how they treated you or neglected you, or maybe they were giving to another situation. But now, whatever it is, they're paying because you guys don't want to fix this. You guys are going towards a different path in life, okay? We have the Chariot energy here. But with the Chariot in reverse, I definitely feel like, again, this relationship was just lacking a clear direction, okay? Also, the person you were connecting with could have been very aggressive, but I feel like there was no clear direction as to where this connection was going. I feel like things just got out of control. Things just seemed to unravel. Spirit, tell me more. Why is the Chariot in reverse? Why is the Chariot in reverse? Tell me more, please. So you guys let it go. You guys view this as toxic, and you guys let it go. You guys took a stand and realized that you had to set yourself free from these chains, free from whatever you felt you were bound to. This is Capricorn energy, but I feel like a lot of you release the situation in order to get control in your life, in order to restore who you really are, in order to be you again. You guys decided to unlock these chains that you felt you were bound to, okay? And this was just a love connection that turned toxic. Maybe it would have been passionate at one time, but it just took a turn for the worse, okay? Spirit, tell me more. Why is the Devil here in reverse? And now you guys are going towards other passions in life, things that make you happy. You guys are going after things that you've always wanted to try, things that inspire you, even new love, new work, new love. Spirit, tell me more. Hobbies. Clarify Ace of Wands. Why is this here? Yeah. You guys are going in a different direction, okay? This, again, you guys are moving on, taking back control of your life, just really going towards things that serve you well, moving towards positivity in your life, no longer feeling stuck or bound, moving towards things that you are passionate about and things that you want to do and things that bring positivity into your life, things that make you happy, okay? I feel like this person has not moved on from you. I feel like there's still a lot of emotional baggage here, so if you do feel like you guys have some baggage that you're carrying, please do not move on into a new connection. Make sure you address that, because there's a lot of unresolved issues that I'm feeling here. I also feel like this person is, in a sense, resisting transitioning from you, moving on from you. This person still has not moved on from you. It's like they're still stuck on you. Spirit, tell me more. Please clarify Six of Blades in reverse. Yeah, I feel like this person is... they want to take action, okay? They want to take action towards you because they still do feel passionate about you, but I feel like it's a fickle energy. With the Knight of Wands here, I'm getting that it's still not like a solid offer. It's just like an in and out energy. Quick just to have it, quick just to do it. Just very impulsive for temporary satisfaction. Spirit, tell me more about this Knight. Why did it come up? Tell me about the Knight of Wands. Why is this here? But again, I feel like a lot of you would not want to receive this offer. You guys know that this person is not committable. They lack commitment. You know, some of them might have been very greedy with money, or just lazy in the connection, not putting in work like you were doing it. And again, I feel like you guys, even if they're taking action towards you, you're not concerning yourself with that because you are going on towards a new direction in life. You're going towards your own happiness, okay? With the Temperance here, Sagittarius energy, I do feel like this person will continue to pursue you. With the Temperance card here, I feel like things will eventually balance out. It just needs more time. More time is needed here in this connection, okay? Before this person might start to see the error of their ways. Spirit, tell me more about the Temperance. Why is this here? Too many. That was 3, but that was a Judgment card. So this person might realize that they might need to make better decisions. Also, I feel like right now, what they're saying is you guys just need to be patient. I have the Lovers here, Gemini energy, but I feel like you guys do have someone coming towards you. It's going to take a little bit of time. Please, in the meantime, address what needs to be addressed if you have any unresolved emotional baggage, because I feel like you guys do have someone coming towards you. Spirit, clarify the Lovers. Why is this here? Tell me about this. And you'll have to make a choice. You might have a choice to make, but I feel like there's going to be something where you're going to have a love offer come in that will have you planning for the future, and you might have to make a decision. Some of you might be moving, so just be patient. There's lots of opportunities coming. Spirit, tell me more about the Two of Wands. Why is this here? Yeah, the Magician. You guys are going to either work on this, or I feel like a lot of you are just going to manifest a new love. I don't feel like you guys are dealing with this past person at all. I feel like you guys are moving away from this, leaving home. A lot of you could be moving. But whatever it is, you're making decisions going towards a new path in life, going towards a new cycle. I feel like you do have new love coming in your way, so continue to work on yourself and continue to manifest. But please be aware that this is going to take some time. With the Temperance here, okay, this is going to take some time. The Death in reverse. A lot of you could be avoiding a metamorphosis or some kind of change. A lot of you could be afraid that you're holding on to something because you're afraid of the new, you're afraid of the unknown. So that's why you could be holding on and staying attached to a stagnant energy. But what the advice is that you guys need to come out of that cycle. If you guys let this go, You have something beautiful coming in here with the Lovers. It's time to let the old die out and welcome the new. You know, this is Scorpio energy. A lot of you might be having an awakening or going through a metamorphosis or just having someone new enter your life that will knock your socks off, okay? So I feel like you guys need to quit fearing the unknown and let go. Allow this change to come in. Allow this metamorphosis to happen. That's what Spirit's saying, okay? Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. So if a lot of you feel like something's not right, it's not. Really just follow your gut. Listen to your intuition. If someone's saying that they want to reconcile with you, but you don't see no change, if you feel like someone still has someone else that they're attached to, just really pay attention to the red flags. I feel like your intuition is being heightened this month. And they're also saying keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from usual type and expectations. And I do see that a lot of you guys might have a new person coming towards you. This could be after you make a decision or decide to move on. But this person's not going to be like the normal type you date. And that's okay, because when people have a type, they get stuck in these repetitive cycles, okay? So sometimes someone that you would least expect or someone who you may not ever choose to go after might be the person for you, okay? So don't get stuck on types or that this person has to look this way, they have to have this job, they have to have this much money. Just keep an open mind, because you might have someone that you would normally not ever expect enter your life and just completely shake your whole world completely. Tell me more, angels. What else do you have? Ooh, sorry. And then we have get to know each other, and you deserve love. So yeah, you guys are lovable. You guys do deserve love. But I definitely feel like you guys will have somebody coming towards you. Don't be closed off to them. Get to know them. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. You guys might have more in common than just looks or superficiality. You guys might really just get each other. Like someone who just gets you. So, you guys do deserve love. So it's about time you let new love enter your life, okay? Leave the past in the past. Okay, so I wish you the best.